In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sound of your voice in CapCut. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your CapCut application and hit on big plus sign to start new project. Now here you can select some video file and then hit add to add it to your project. Now as you see, you got video roll, and to be able to add audio roll, just hit on add audio, and there you can hit on voiceover button and then hold the voiceover button to start recording the voiceover. Now you see the voiceover is being recorded, and when I release the finger it stops recording. I can hit on check mark, and now I can continue editing my project. And to be able to change the sound of my voice, all I have to do is hit and select the audio row, and next hit on voice effects right there. And there I can select between different types of effects. It can be basic, funny, synth, retro or others, and there you can select the different effects and see how it sounds right now. That's all about how to change the sound of your voice in CapCut, so make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.